Oh, you mean plus size problem? That's actually my superpower. Things my body did while society was busy judging it. Carried me through breakdowns, survived adverse criticism. It let me enjoy life while still learning the balance. It held memories, not just the fat. It made me look hot in outfits people said I shouldn't even wear. So, darling, maybe the problem wasn't my body. Wear what you love instead of what hides you. I always choose joy, ease, happiness. One has to stop waiting to lose weight before living the life.